Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini to share your screen. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Google AI Studio. Then, press Enter and click on the official Google AI Studio website. Once you're on the AI Studio homepage, you'll see different AI models available. Click on the real-time model. Next, select the Gemini 3.1 Flash Preview option. After the model opens, you'll see several options such as Talk, Webcam, and Share Screen. Click on the Share Screen button. A confirmation message may appear. Click on the Acknowledge button to continue. Now, a small pop-up window will appear with 3 sharing options. The first option lets you share a Chrome tab only. The second option lets you share a specific window. The third option lets you share your entire screen. Select Entire Screen, then click on your screen preview. After that, click the Share button. Your entire screen will now be shared with Gemini. You'll see a small screen sharing window on your display, which you can drag and place anywhere on the screen. While screen sharing is active, Gemini can view the content you're sharing and assist you based on what's displayed. When you're finished, simply click the Stop Sharing button. This will end the screen sharing session immediately. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.